she's watching us. She is watching us. They are ugly. I wonder where she is now. That's the thing.
Oh my goodness. Was that made that way or they made the nest?
They made the nest.
Oh, they made that, didn't they? Oh.
Yeah. Oh, they grew so much.
Oh my goodness.
They
you
grew
would never think
so big. 4 of you. You are all getting so big. That's the only one. The only one left. Bye.
Can you pick it up?
No, don't touch it.
I won't touch it. Sorry.
Bye, birdie. It's the last one. Hello, birdie. It's running towards you.
It'll more than likely be on you than I mean, bite.
What are you gonna do with it? Put it
It'll
back in the
more than
nest?
likely pee or poop on you than to bite.
Where are you gonna put him?
The grass.
In the grass? Put them together.
He's hungry.
Ah! Oh, they're flying.
This one's got more.
Get him!
Come on.
Put them together.
They're house birds.
Don't squish them. Where's the other one? Oh, really?